If your Samsung phone looks like it's on a permanent vacation, you might be feeling frustrated. Let's fix that. First, check the power button. Make sure it's not stuck or damaged. Next, let's charge it up. Connect your phone to a charger and let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Still nothing? Check the charging port for any gunk or damage. Try using a different charger and cable. If it's still playing dead, time for a force restart. Hold down the power and volume down buttons together for 7-10 seconds. If you see maintenance mode, use the volume buttons to select normal boot and hit the power button to confirm. No luck? Boot into recovery mode. Hold the power, volume up, and home or Bixby buttons until the recovery menu shows up. Use the volume buttons to navigate and power button to select options like wipe cache partition. As a last resort, you might need to factory reset. Remember, this will erase all data. Boot into recovery mode, select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and confirm. Still not working? Contact Samsung support or visit a service center.